Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's SOP video update, and boom, SOP broke it. It finally broke it. On a daily time frame, it has broke out. Okay, so it has broke out. All we need is a nice good retest now back to this line on a daily time frame, and that's the inverse head and shoulder, by the way, down to 441 at the moment. So yesterday it actually popped up to 452, and let's dive into the 4 hour time frame at the moment and see what the hell we're about to do right here. So on the daily time frame, it's actually coming down to this level 441 at the moment. But if you look at it on a 4 hour time frame, it's like it never really broke out. It still seems like on a 4 hour time frame, if we do consider the 4 hour time frame, then that still is your neckline. So it's a good idea to wait for one more break to the upside, and that's going to be this level, 458, maybe go up to 461 here, come back for the retest to 448. That would be amazing. You're looking for 539, and that's going to be an amazing up price. If this could be your entry up for a 20% move to the upside, maybe a day trading, it could be amazing right over here for SOP. So it's looking good on the daily. All right, it's just a 4 hour time frame that is a little bit botherish, but on a daily time frame, that's a very nice clear breakout to the upside. There's a speculation as well. If I do try to remove some of the drawings here, I just want to point out if there's any problem again. But you have to be careful of one more trend line here. Yeah, so that 4 hour time frame can actually be something exclusive. I know it's a little bit confusing, isn't it? Trend lines, they actually do a lot of things, but I kind of like this new trend line, and it's not because I want to be bearish or anything, but it's because it does make sense, and it's a valid, logical trend line because of the interaction that you see. So first interaction right there, second one right here, third one right over there, fourth one right over here, and then you have the fifth one right over there. So who knows, from here you can actually start to drop again. And 4 hour time frame is a little bit more noisy, and I like the daily better right now. The daily has way more less noise, and I'm just gonna turn on the Heikin Ashi candlesticks as well so that I can filter out the noise. Yeah, even the Heikin Ashi does suggest that there's a little bit of shadiness still in here. Okay, so they give you the candlesticks that are more filtered, way more better. So here we are, and that's the resistance that you have. Okay, so you might even say that on a Heikin Ashi, we're trying to put in a rising wedge right here. Okay, so on a 4 hour time frame, what actually looks like an inverse head and shoulder, of course, we still need to pop again. Okay, we need to really pop properly, and then that could be amazing to continue higher. But you might end up making a rising wedge like this, and you pop to the downside, and then you're looking for a technical target down to 367 as well. So be very, very careful here. Uh, it's all about breaking to the upside. Otherwise, you might end up just making this rising wedge, of course, and that rising wedge is not going to be amazing to have right there, sitting right on your face. So my take is, be careful of a rising wedge. I don't know what's going to happen. You can break out of it, but be careful. That could be a rising wedge, and that could actually drop you down all the way to 357. So we need another clear breakout here of that resistance line to continue high. And that's it for today's SLP video update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.